If you're cruising to Juneau, Alaska and trying to decide what excursion to do, I think this one is definitely worth considering. We booked this excursion directly through Disney, and it took us to the Mendenhall Glacier, followed by a salmon bake. And honestly, this turned out to be one of those excursions where we really enjoyed every single part of the day. Our first stop was the Mendenhall Glacier, and the walk there was absolutely beautiful. Even the journey to the glacier was part of this experience. You're surrounded by the gorgeous Alaska scenery, trees and mountains, and it just feels like you're really in Alaska. We walked out and saw the beautiful Nugget Falls on our way down to look at the glacier, and they were incredible. But this stop ended up being especially meaningful for us. Since my sister passed away, we've been taking little memory rocks with us when we travel and leaving them at places that feel special. And Mendenhall Glacier was the very first place we decided to leave a rock for her. It was a little emotional because this was our way of continuing to take her with us. She may not physically be here to experience these places, but we can still bring a little piece of her along. So we left her rock and then continued on with our day. And honestly, it felt really special, like a way of continuing to journey on with her. And now I'm thinking about it, let me give you a quick cruise excursion tip. We booked this particular excursion directly through Disney, but have also booked several excursions through Viator, and I always recommend checking both before you book. There have been plenty of times we have found excursions on Viator that were significantly cheaper than booking through the cruise line directly. They often run sales pretty regularly, so sometimes you can find some pretty good deals. And one thing I especially like with cruising is that Viator has excursions that offer a guarantee back to the ship, depending on the excursion, so look out for that. Obviously, always read the specific excursion details before booking, but I definitely think it's worth comparing your options. I do have a Viator link on my page where you can check out their cruise excursions. So if you're planning a cruise, definitely take a look before you spend the money. That excursion money can get expensive, especially in Alaska. And now we were off to the salmon bake. I have to admit, for some reason, I wasn't expecting much. I had this idea in my head that the salmon bake was going to be kind of, I don't know, cheesy and touristy, and I'm very happy to tell you that I was completely wrong. This place was actually really cute. There was so much space, and there was all these different areas that you can sit and eat with your family without feeling like we were all packed into one giant dining area. The salmon was actually being cooked over open fire, which made the whole experience feel very Alaskan. There was several fire pits around the property, and after eating, you could just sit around, relax, and make s'mores. They also had a little waterfall that you could walk to, an old mine, and the opportunity to do some gold mining. So there was quite a lot to explore here. We just really enjoyed walking around the property and taking everything in. And for this particular excursion, there's no rush to head back. You can leave at any time. They have shuttles that will return you to the ship every 15 to 30 minutes. So you could spend as much or as little time as you wanted at the salmon bake. And our favorite standout dishes were the salmon, and I really liked the cornbread as well. But we weren't the only people that liked that salmon. There was a black bear that came up alongside of the location. My son saw him when he was going to the bathroom. I didn't get a picture though because they scared him away with pots and pans. But even still, it was pretty exciting. Overall, we really loved this excursion. You get the incredible scenery and beauty of the Mendenhall Glacier. You get a really fun and relaxing salmon bake, and there's things to explore, s'mores, waterfalls, gold mining, and apparently, if you're lucky like my son, you get to see a black bear. For us, though, the glacier will always have a special memory because that's where we left our very first rock for my sister. It was a beautiful day, a meaningful day, and honestly, just another reminder of why we love traveling so much. We get to see incredible places, make memories with our family, and now we get to carry a few memories of my sister along with us too. So if you're heading to Juneau, I definitely would consider adding this excursion to your list. And don't forget to check Disney excursions and compare them with the Viator before you book. You might be surprised by the big price difference. Now let's get back to the cruise. I'm pretty sure there's food waiting for us up there as well.